Look at that big bird, Boo Boo.
Can I throw a rock at it?
No, what's wrong with you? Really?
Don't be so
Sound
proud.
your dad right now. Dad be so proud. That's a big one too.
Stop throwing.
Wow, you almost got hit by a rock. Big rock too.
No.
Ooh. Really? Huh? We should go spray ourselves with some sunscreen. The sun's actually out now, so.
Stop with the big rocks.
Huh? He flew off? Well, I didn't see him. Look at all this. There's so much water in the rocks. Like all this rock that used to just be rocks. This is where we used to set off firecrackers. It's all underwater now. It's crazy. My kids have never seen the water this high before. Ever, ever. You're gonna take my hair tie? Rude.
I hit it more than you.
Uh-huh.
Whoa!
Brandon and Kylie be here.
There's a bluebonnet. It's a bluebonnet in the middle of the river. How cute. Hey, don't throw all the rocks in the river. We might find some that we want to keep. You think we might want to keep that one?
Watch this thing skip. 3.
It barely skipped. It just made a big splash because of how big it was. Wow, that one almost skipped. Oh, I want to keep that one for sure. We're definitely keeping that one.